everyone, welcome back to Eramamo's. Today what are we preparing today? Because we are in Christmas Eve, so I have decided to share my recipe, my spicy pineapple recipe with you, my viewers. So let's start. I have to do it early so that you guys can also add it to your Christmas table. It's natural juice that I'm going to prepare. What do you need? You will need your pineapple, you will need lemon, lime, ginger, cardamom, anise, and also I have my fruits here. I'm going to use it to garnish my drink. I have my cinnamon here. I have my cloves. I have my honey. I have the natural, the pure one, and I have the one that they sell it here as well. This one is from Ghana. You can see, guys, if you can see, I have a portion of the pineapple which I'm going to freeze it to garnish my juice when I finish. So I'm going to slice it like this, then I will put them in the freezer. By the time I finish preparing my juice, then it will be ready for me to use it to garnish it like ice cubes. Guys, at this point I have my water on fire, which I'm going to add the skin of the pineapple to it. I'm going to use the same process that I used to prepare my hibiscus recipe, but this time round without hibiscus. You can add salt to wash this the skin of the pineapple nicely before you boil it. So if you can see, I have my bowl on fire. I've added, you can see I have the stick of the pineapple. That bit, you don't have to throw it away. You can add it to the skin to boil it. Also, you have to leave some so that you can use it to garnish your drink. When we get there, you will see how I will do mine. So the next step is we are going to add our ginger. We have our ginger here. We are going to add our ginger to the pineapple skin. The ginger, I'm not going to clean it because I need the skin of the ginger as well. So we are going to add that. So you have to make sure you take the dirty ones, you clean the dirty ones, then you slice them. Can you see how I'm doing it? You slice them and we will wash it. I need to wash my cinnamon as well, so I'm going to add 1 stick of cinnamon to my ginger to wash it, and I'll add them to my pineapple skin. Now I'm going to add 5 pods of cardamom. We don't need that much, so I'm going to use only 5 pods to our pineapple skin that we have here. We will also add star anise to our ingredient that we have on fire. The next step, I'm going to slice one of the lemons. We are going to slice them and add it as well. Guys, try this recipe this Christmas Eve and you will know how it tastes. It's really nice. And we have our lime as well. The lime, I'm going to put half, and I will use half when I'm garnishing my drink as well. So now we have added all our ingredients. Now I'm going to increase the heat, then I'll give it up to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then I'm going to take it off from the fire. At this point, I'm going to cut my pineapple into pieces because we are going to blend this one, the one that we left. We are going to blend them, so I have to cut it into pieces that it will be easy for my blender to blend it. Hello guys, our 10 minutes is up, but we have to wait for our remedy to cool off so that we can take the skin and the lemon and the lime off from the from it. Then we can use the water to blend our diced pineapple. You can see I've diced them nicely. We can use it to blend them. Then our juice is ready. Guys, our juice is ready. So now it's time for our juice to be served. So we are going to transfer it to this bowl. Then we can add our cubes to it. Look at that. Can you see the color of our spicy pineapple juice? Oh my god, the aroma. Look at that. So now we have our frozen pineapple that we use for the cubes. We are going to put that one in. We are using this as an ice cube. Guys, can you see that? The tongue is disturbing me. Let me use my hand. We have our strawberry, our kiwi, our green grapes. Look at that. We are going to add all. And we also have our orange that we sliced. Our orange. We have our lemon. We have our lime. And we also have our cinnamon. You can add 1 stick of cinnamon to your garnishing as well. Look at that. Look how our pineapple, our spicy pineapple is looking. And don't forget, we still have this. We need all of them to garnish our spicy pineapple juice. Guys, at this point, I'm going to taste our drink and let you know how it tastes. Look at that. Oh my god. It really tastes nice. Guys, cheers. Oh my god. Guys, try this recipe on this Christmas Eve for your visitors or for your family, your children, and they are going to really enjoy it. And also, if you know that you are going to put it in the fridge, please remember to take the lemon and the lime from it, but the rest of the fruits you can leave them, because the lime and the lemon, if you add it, if you put it in the fridge with it, it's going to change the taste of the juice. It's going to taste bitter. So I have to tell you that. So note that. Guys, I hope you like this juice. At this point, if you are new to this channel, I will ask you to subscribe and come and be part of this beautiful family. Erama's Kitchen, always the best. I love you. Mwah. Hello guys, you can use honey as well for this juice or sugar, but the pineapple that I use is too sweet, so I don't need any honey. But if you are somebody that you can add it to your one. By my one, I didn't add any sweetener, but it's very sweet, as I've told you already.